Hello friends, welcome back to another edition of Java Learning. Today we will learn how to handle strings easily in Java. Now, in this particular video, we will deal with strings. You will have to enter a sentence and you have to deal with each word of the sentence. Now, in this particular video, let us see how to print each words of a sentence in separate lines. Then we will print the first and the last letter of every word, and our third work would be to count the total number of words in that particular sentence. So, I have written this part, scanner class, which I'll not waste time. You are just doing what? Creating an object of the scanner class, and then this is something new, that is, enter a sentence and press a space and a dot to exit. So you are entering a sentence, and whenever you want to finish the input, you'll have to press space and you have to put a dot. Now here it's little different. You will just start a loop that will go inside. This loop will go inside. When you say while true, it goes inside the loop, and then what happens? You enter a sentence, okay, and when you want to end the sentence, you press a space and a dot. So the whole thing, it is doing what? First word of the sentence is getting stored in str, right? And this way it will deal with every word. Right now it is dealing with the first word. So let us check if the first word, that is str, if it is equal to a dot, then what would you do? You will come out of the loop, okay? Else you will perform this block. So what will you do? You have already taken a token from a sentence. So let us do what? C++. This is counting. I'm doing this one first. Total number of words. So the first word is getting stored in str, and you're counting C++. C has not been declared. So let us declare this variable. So this is done. Outside the loop, I'll come and I'll print number of words is equal to plus C, and you align it properly, and then you close the class. Control K. Something, forgot to give a semicolon. Okay, compile. If str dot equals, okay, this another bracket is missing here. Compile, no syntax error. So close and you run the main method. Okay, so it is asking. So I'll say what? The sun rises in the east. And I want to end now. So space and a dot. So number of words, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how easily you can handle strings. Now let us see two more examples using this concept only. So this is done. So let us remove this. I want to print. Now I would like to do this one, the words in separate lines. Same concept. This remains the same. Okay, the loop goes on. If it is a dot, it will come out of the loop. Otherwise it will print what? In separate lines it will print the words. So instead of this, I'll just say what? Print ln str, because each word as a token is there in str. So let us compile. No syntax error. Let us run the program. And I want to end now. So a space and a dot. The sun rises in the east. So every word is getting printed in different lines, right? I hope this is clear. And now let us do the third part. So I have done this one also, printing the words in separate lines. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to print the first and the last character of each word. Again you have to deal with words only. So print the first and the last letter of every word. So the word is there in str. If it is a dot, it will come out of the loop, and otherwise what it will do, it will print the first the first letter. So that is from str dot char at zeroth character, zeroth index, at zeroth index, whatever you have, that character, the first character of str, plus I'll put a comma and I'll print the last character. So again you have to see what? With this, after that you will print from str itself dot char at, you will do what? Str dot length, whatever it is, -1. So this will give you the last character. Okay, so let us see now what happens. I hope I have closed all the brackets properly. Okay, let us compile and see. Char at, no syntax error. I hope it runs fine. Now close. Let us run the program. Space and a dot to end. So you see, this was the input. The sun rises in the east. So it is printing the first and the last word of every word. The first word was THE. So it is printing T, the first word, and the last word was E. For the second word, S was the first letter and N was the last letter. And this way, if you see the last word, it is E and T. So this way, it is printing the first and the last letter of every word. Dealing strings in this format, makes your work very easy. I hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe my channel if you like this, particular video and all my tutorials that I have in my playlist. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you so much.